Small bathroom colors, 2025. Small bathroom color trends in 2025 are all about personality, light, and bold elegance. Bathroom color is no longer just about making a space look bigger, it's about making it unforgettable. The best small bathroom colors this year are redefining how we think about tiny spaces. One standout bathroom color of 2025 is soft clay, earthy, warm, and incredibly calming. Soft clay brings a spa-like feel to your small bathroom without sacrificing style. Bathroom color experts love this tone for its versatility with wood, brass, and stone finishes. If you're craving something modern, try a dusty lavender bathroom color, subtle but sophisticated. Dusty lavender gives your small bathroom a gentle pop that feels both relaxing and upscale. Bathroom interiors are also seeing a rise in pistachio green, fresh, organic, and lively. This bathroom color adds life to small spaces while keeping things feeling breezy. For a deeper vibe, midnight teal is exploding in popularity as a small bathroom color. Midnight teal makes a small bathroom feel dramatic without being overwhelming. It pairs beautifully with white tiling, gold fixtures, and black accents in the bathroom. Bathroom walls are also going matte. High gloss is out, texture is in for 2025. Matte finishes help small bathroom colors feel soft and modern rather than sterile. Another strong bathroom color trend is warm greige, a gray-beige hybrid. Greige works with almost any style and brings a sophisticated calm to your small bathroom. Looking to go bold? A terracotta bathroom color adds warmth and European flair to a small space. Terracotta is especially great in bathroom spaces with natural light and rustic textures. For minimalist lovers, chalky white is back in small bathroom trends, but with a twist. This new white has warm undertones, perfect for creating a cozy, clean bathroom vibe. Small bathroom ceilings are going darker in 2025. Think charcoal or navy. A darker ceiling in your bathroom can add depth without shrinking the room visually. Bathroom trim is also changing. Colored trim is now in, especially in pale sage or muted coral. Using a contrasting bathroom color on your trim adds character without taking up space. Neutral small bathroom palettes are no longer boring. They're being layered for depth. Layering creams, oatmeals, and taupes in your bathroom gives texture without clutter. Bathroom designers are recommending fewer stark contrasts and more tonal harmony. For example, using a range of blush tones in your small bathroom keeps it soft and cohesive. Don't ignore the fifth wall. Bathroom floors can be a bold statement in color this year. Try encaustic tiles in navy, burnt orange, or sage for a surprising small bathroom punch. Also trending, two-tone bathroom walls that break up vertical space in tiny bathrooms. Pairing sage green on the bottom with off-white on top can elevate any small bathroom. Metallic accents are evolving. Brushed brass works beautifully with warm bathroom colors. Avoid shiny chrome in 2025. Instead, matte gold or copper makes small bathrooms feel rich. Bathroom lighting also plays a role. Warm LED tones enhance soft bathroom palettes. If your small bathroom feels cold, try changing the lighting before repainting. Bathroom color psychology is big in 2025. Every shade is chosen for emotional impact. Soft blues create peace in a bathroom. Warm yellows can boost morning energy. Even black is finding its way into small bathroom design as an accent wall or vanity. A matte black bathroom wall paired with warm lighting can look sleek, not severe. If you love coastal themes, consider sea glass green. It's airy and never out of style. This small bathroom color pairs beautifully with natural wood and white tiles. Texture also counts. A color like slate gray with a tattletale finish adds depth to any bathroom. Finally, personalization is key. Your bathroom color should reflect your taste, not just trends. Whether you go bold or stay neutral, let your small bathroom color tell your story in 2025.